1. Create yarn out of the plastic bags. Plastic yarn, known as plarn, is a good option for crochet or knitting. Simply cut plastic bags into strips and string them together to create a long-stranded plarn. You can then use plarn to crochet tote bags, purses, and mats. This may be a good craft to do when you have a lot of plastic bags in the same colors. You can then create plarn from plastic bags that are the same color to use in crochet or knitting. 2. Make a woven plastic basket. You can use thick, opaque bags for a thicker woven basket or thinner, white bags for a thinner basket. You will also need sewing needles, thread, and a thimble. You will need about 30 to 40 plastic bags to create the woven basket. 3. Create a plastic flower. If you want to create flowers that are indestructible, try making flowers out of plastic bags. Use plastic bags in pretty colors for the flowers. You will also need green string, scissors, a sewing needle, and a knitting needle. One plastic bag should be enough to make one plastic flower.